So there's about 3.5 litres of Eco Goldex. There is gold dissolved in this solution. The gold has been dissolved from ceramic CPUs. So this is the solution, all wired up to the cell. Cell's on, and the gold is now plating out on the cathode. I've only just turned it on, so there's nothing you can see at the moment. But I will get back to you when there is some visuals. So the anode is stainless steel mesh, and the cathode is wire wool. There's a large surface area, so that should speed things up with the plating, gold plating out. So I've had this running for 5 days. I swapped out the anode as well for a solid stainless steel plate because the mesh, stainless steel mesh, corroded. Turn that off. So this is all your gold, which is plated out. So you can see how thicker the wire wool is. The gold has been deposited on the steel wool. Also around the back as well. So the next step will be to give it a good wash. So you're going to wash out all the Eco Goldex and then HCl to dissolve the wire wool away, and then to Aqua regia to dissolve the gold. Pretty straightforward, really. So there's your gold plating. It's very heavy as well. So yeah, HCl now. Doesn't really pick it up the best. But this is the gold from the wire wool cathode. I've dissolved all the iron away. That's just the gold left. Aqua regia will be the next step. So there's the gold plated out on the wire wool. All the wire wool has been dissolved. I've got some hydrochloric acid in there. I'm going to heat that up, and then I'm going to add sodium nitrate. One teaspoon of sodium nitrate. I'm not sure if that'll be enough to complete the reaction, mind. don't think there'll be a boil over because there's only a little solution in the bottom there. It's quite a large beaker. That settle down and I'll have a look in a bit. Right, so the gold's been dissolved. That's the solution. It is a precipitate at the bottom. Could be silver, or could just be stuff which haven't been dissolved by the Aqua regia. I'll filter this, and then I might redissolve it with some more gold. So I don't know, we'll see. We're going to dilute this solution to push out any silver which might be in there. I don't know if there's a precipitation or if I've just disturbed some of the sediment at the bottom, so it doesn't matter. I'll let it settle and then I'll decant and filter before I precipitate the gold with SMB. Filtering the solution, nice and clear. The solution has a slight green colour, which tells me there is base metals in solution as well as gold. Time for the gold drop. SMB dry. I think I did add a bit too much SMB than was needed. Like, I do believe now, by looking at the colour of that, all the gold is dropped. But I added a little bit more just to make sure. The white foam tells you that all the gold has been precipitated. The gold's been washed and dried. The gold is still very dirty, mind. You'll see in the video that it is pretty dirty because it sticks to the beaker. But this is just a rough idea of what sort of weight we've got from the Eco Goldex. This gold would be getting refined a second time anyway. See how it sticks to the beaker? Very dirty gold. Clean gold will slide right out of the beaker, no problem. Just put the phone down, the camera down, just to give the beaker a firm tap to get a little bit more gold out. Got a little bit more gold out, but there is still a lot of gold in the beaker. I'd say maybe 0.3, 0.4 of a gram still in the beaker. but there is 11.6 grams of gold from 3.5 litres of solution.